Guys, I just made friend with the Mr. Bird. Mr. Bird, everybody. I think not that friend, but kind of best friend. So, what should we name him or her? Okay? What should we name it?